This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need a Phillips screwdriver, 5mm hex wrench, and a 2mm hex for barrel adjusters. Check that your shifter is in the highest gear position and the chain sits on the smallest cassette cog. Set the derailleur inner and outer limit screws so the cage aligns with smallest gear and largest gear respectively. Ensure the derailleur hanger is straight before moving on. Leave 3 to 5 mm vertical gap between upper pulley and largest cog before cable tensioning. Adjust outer limit to prevent chain falling off largest cog by small clockwise turns. Shift gently to the largest cog and watch chain alignment while making half-turn adjustments. Adjust inner limit to stop the chain from dropping past the smallest cog when shifted to the high gear. Use the B-tension screw to control derailleur body rotation and pulley gap. Set B-tension so the top pulley sits about 5 to 7 mm from largest cog for smooth shifting. Turn the barrel adjuster clockwise to reduce slack or counterclockwise to add tension in small increments. Shift up one gear while pedaling and listen for hesitation or chain rub on adjacent cogs. Make quarter turns while pedaling to center chain quickly and confirm crisp shifts across the cassette. If it overshifts, back off tension by a quarter turn and retest. Test while riding on a short loop and make 1/4 turn adjustments until shifts are precise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.